Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix and solve copyright infringement on the Telegram app, right? If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. The first step in here, as you can see, we have the app icon. Okay, if you're using Android, you can just go ahead and tap and hold on it and just tap on the information icon. Okay, if not, you could go ahead over to your settings and find the app section. Just right here. It's the same when you're using iOS. Just go to the app section and find Telegram. Okay. Now, once you've found it, you can now go ahead and tap on it. And for iOS, just tap on offload app or offload data. For Android, tap on storage, tap on clear cache first, and then tap on manage storage. In here, you'll be able to find clear cache. Just tap on it. And once done, go ahead and check if it helps. Okay. If not, you might want to try to reinstall the app itself. Okay. Tap and hold on the app icon, uninstall, and once uninstalled, go to your Play Store or App Store, reinstall the app again. Okay, in here, just tap on install, wait for the process to finish, and after that, check if it helps. Now, if it doesn't work, you might want to contact the Telegram support, okay, as there might be an ongoing problem with your account, all right? Contact them, explain what happened, and take their instructions on what to do. All right, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.